you're doing. Before you set it up, before closing it, you know, put the case on and everything to have it in place, but don't screw it down just yet, because you know you might turn it on, there might be a problem where a wire screwed up, so you know you can have it look nice, but you want it easy to get to. So then you can go ahead, plug in all your cables, plug in your power supply, the video and everything like that, the audio, and then boot it up and get into at least the BIOS and start the Windows install. And then if everything's working fine, then go ahead and make the final closure and put the screws in where they're supposed to go. And if you can get those thumb screws, they're a lot easier just in case you got to do any upgrades. So you have everything there. It's going to be nice and closed up. And I'll just do it real quick for you, because this system is working nice and good. So that's nice and in there now. Everything else is good to go. The system is set. You can go ahead, plug it in. Okay, so that's how you build your very own personal PC. Put any other faceplates back in spot, put any stickers on it, anything that you want to do, and you're pretty much done.